What is going on, you guys? Alex here with T-Sportline, bringing you another Tesla video. Today we're working on our Tesla Model 3 and we're going to be installing a set of our carbon fiber T-Sportline side skirts for the Model 3. We're going to be walking you through the install and showing you how to do it yourself. So stay tuned and let's get started. Alright, first of all, we're going to want to make sure that the car is really clean, especially because this area is so low to the ground. It's going to pick up a lot of debris from the road. So make sure you wash the car, wash this area really well. And once we have this area clean, we're gonna come and take our wax and grease remover prep wipe and wipe this down really well and dry it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. And you want to make sure to get underneath the car as well on the textured black plastic part, because these side skirts will cover that. Alright, now I'm going to test fit the side skirt by sliding it over the front and rear edges. And then this is going to slip right underneath the doors. And it's just going to sit just like this. So now that we're familiar with how this is going to fit, we can pull this off and go ahead and apply our adhesion promoter. So with our adhesion promoter, we're going to run it all the way down this edge here right underneath the doors. We're going to run it along the middle here, and we also want to run some along the bottom edge on the textured black plastic. Now, like we've done before, we're going to partially peel all of the tape. We want to leave ourselves some tag ends that we can grab. So now we'll set this up just like we did before during the test fit. Slide it over the front and the rear, get it underneath the doors. And I'm going to start on the bottom, making sure that the side skirt is pressed down as far as it will go. I can press down firmly all along the side. So that is going to do it for us today on our T-Sportline carbon fiber side skirts for Tesla Model 3. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like. If you have any questions about what we did today, make sure to leave a comment down below. We'd be happy to help. And if you want to check this out for yourself, you can do that at tsportline.com. If you're not already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more Tesla content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.